How to add Instagram link to your YouTube channel. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can add your Instagram link on your YouTube channel. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to instagram.com and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So if you're on your home page, navigate to your profile, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, click on profile. That's gonna take you to your profile page. So once you're on your profile, navigate to the link at the top, that is your link to your profile. You have to copy this link. After you copy this link, now open up YouTube and make sure that you're logged in with your account in YouTube as well. Then navigate to top right corner, click on your profile icon. Here, click on view your channel. So once you're here under your profile name, click on customize channel. That's gonna take you to your channel customization piece. Here you could add a link. Scroll down a bit and there is a link section right here. So here click on add link. Then you may provide the title to your link. Here you could simply tap on Instagram. And on next to that there is a text field to add a URL. So all you have to do is paste the link that you have copied from the Instagram account, and here is the link. Once you're done, click on publish at the top right corner, and with that your Instagram link will be added in your YouTube channel. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.